neoprene sleeves coming in at a price tag of around 12 bucks for a 4-pack. If at any point during the video you want to check out this exact same product, there's Amazon links below. These may be the single easiest cable management accessory that makes the biggest difference with the least amount of effort. These are literally just stretchy neoprene sleeves with zippers on them. Now, if you have a ton of cables coming from your cable management box going to your PC or your monitor, or basically any large amount of cables coming from one area going to another, you basically take these sleeves, wrap them around it, and then zip it up and they're gone. Just a neoprene sleeve to really clean everything up. I've also seen these, like, they call them snakes or something like that. While they're open, they don't look as clean as these neoprene sleeves. They're also a little bit more difficult to work with, because one of the biggest advantages to these neoprene sleeves is you can actually modify them to your setup and actually cut them. You can cut holes in them so cables can come out of them. And because that neoprene is a stretchy material, when you do cut a hole in them, it's easier to push cables through because they're stretchy and then they'll kind of stretch back. These are incredibly fast to add to your setup and eliminate disgusting long runs of cables. I'm thinking in a lot of my setups, I've had a outlet just happens to be right under the middle of the desk. I'll plug in my power strip under there. I'll have it go down to a cable management box, and then I'll take these neoprene sleeves, cut one slit in them, put that cable going to the power strip through there, and then run my cables up through them so that it completely eliminates the outlet. You can't even see the outlet, and you can't even see where the power strip's plugged in, and it just kind of looks like wizardry. Overall, these are one of my favorite cable management accessories due to the speed, ease of setup, and the result of hiding all the cables. Again, if you want to check out this exact same product, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, Canada, and international links. And if you want to check out my main channel with longer form content, you can check that out right here. But this is a consumer tech review, high speed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.